Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you measurement of large distances. Large distances such as the distance of a planet or a star from the earth cannot be measured directly with a meter scale. An important method in such cases is called parallax method. Now to understand parallax method, we'll take one example. When you hold a pencil in front of you against some specific point on the background, suppose I'm taking a wall, then look at the pencil by your right eyes. By closing your left eyes, you will consider point A, and by your left eyes, by closing your right eyes, you will consider a point B. So you will notice that the distance between these 2 points will change with respect to this point. So this distance is called basis. So what is called basis? The distance between these 2 points of observations is called basis. Now these two distance will make an angle with respect to this planet, this theta. So if S is so far away from this 2 point AB on the earth, so suppose I am taking S is a planet and A and B is two different points on the earth, then from the earth, from this 2 point, S can be considered as at the distance D. Now if S planet is too much far away from the earth, then D is too much greater than B. So we can write B upon D is less than 1. So by this 2 point, it will make an angle theta. So ASB, angle ASB is equal to theta. So if D is greater than B, then AB is considered as an arc and AS or BS is equal to radius having center S. So you know that arc is equal to radius into angle. So B is equal to D into theta. So D equal to B upon theta. So this D is the distance between the planets from the earth. Now, to understand this topic more deeply, then we will take one example. The moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on the earth. The angle theta subtended at the moon by the two directions of the observation is 1 degree 54 minutes. Given the diameter of the earth to be about 1.276 into 10⁷ meter, compute the distance of the moon from the earth. Now it is diametrically points, opposite points, means we can consider it as a earth. Then one point is A here, then exactly another point is exactly at the opposite side from on the earth. So this distance will become a diameter. So this distance we have considered already it B. So AB is B, then diameter is given 1.276 into 10⁷ meter. Theta is given 1 degree 54 minutes and D we have to find. So to consider theta, we will convert first theta into radian. Then 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So of course converted into minutes. So but we know that 1 minute is converted into seconds. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Multiply it by 60, we will get in second. But 1 second is equal to, second will be converted into radian. So 1 second equal to 4.85 into 10⁻⁶ radian. Then we will get 6840 second. Multiply this radian, we will get 3.32 into 10⁻⁻² radian. Now put this theta value in this equation and B is given. Put all the values over here in this equation. We will get 3.84 into 10⁸ meter.